What's going on, YouTube? Back here again, wanting to ask you a very important question. Do you ever find yourself sitting in your kitchen, looking in your sink and seeing that old, nasty sponge? And then you start to wonder, when was the last time I changed it? Month, couple weeks, even a year? You never know. But we have created a sponge that will stop you from worrying. This is the Forever Sponge. This sponge features a level 5 HPPE material that results in it being cut resistant. I've tried to put a knife to it, scissors, it just won't cut, guys. And the coolest thing about this is you can clean more than just your dishes. You can clean your car, you can clean your toilet, you can clean the floors if you even wanted to. This sponge is also antimicrobial, so it will not mold like your other sponges will. And the coolest thing about this is instead of throwing it away like you would normally do with your other moldy sponge, all you have to do is throw it in the dishwasher. When the load is done, pull it out, clean another thing. As this thing is so awesome, you're going to want to keep it for forever, hence the name. If you haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out. And again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow our other channels.